everyone says, isn't it kind of boring up here in the Chicago wilderness area? And I said, not really, because we have a lot of unique species to northern Illinois, primarily because of the glaciers.
Illinois has some unique biomes and ecosystems that are very different than many other locations, especially other locations surrounding the Midwest.
It's kind of fun. I enjoy where I'm at.
We have such a giant piece of water, fresh water, right in our backyard. The whole Great Lakes chain, anyway, is the largest body of fresh water. We have been shaped throughout history through our glacial past, which is why we have the Great Lakes in the first place. If you move around other parts of Illinois, we also see some very traditional kind of ecosystems towards the Midwest, things like prairies. In the north, you do have some unique ecosystems as well. And so a part of the very northwest corner of Illinois was known as the driftless region, which is an area that did not get touched by the glaciers.
Northern Illinois is kind of interesting. It has fens, which are not very common. A fen is a kind of a very alkaline wetland. Most wetlands are acidic because water and carbon dioxide forms an acid. And so, but this is water that's percolating through a kind of a calcium bicarbonate stone. And so the water becomes very alkaline, and plants don't particularly adapt to it well. So there's pretty unique plants that can do that.
Organisms that are found in urban environments kind of have a very unique ecological niche. They are both, they benefit from being near humans, but also have to live within the bounds of being around humans. And so becoming incredibly flexible, it's what we call behavioral flexibility. It's a trait that organisms have based on different conditions, that they can maybe change their diet, change when they're awake, change how they're moving about their ecosystem, often in an urban environment.
Yeah, so birds are my bag. I like birds. We have 31 species of rare birds here in northern Illinois, or in Illinois in general. Compared fish is 37 species of endangered species. Fish, 25 species of reptiles. That includes lots of turtles, and 15 species of amphibians, frogs, toads are rare. Mammals, there's only 8, but 6 of them are bats, like the Indiana bat. And there's like 300 to 350 species of endangered plants. There's more plants than anything else, and so those are the most likely going to have a higher number. But yeah.
Holistically, we're seeing novel technologies. We're seeing people be invigorated, I think, in the face of recognizing that the global climate crisis is affecting people in a lot of ways that we've never seen before. People are starting to care a lot more about the place that they call home, the wildlife, the whole ecosystem, seeing stuff as a whole big picture. So I think that that's really encouraging, and also how younger generations are really invigorated to want to see change and make sure that, the earth is an incredible place for everyone to live, including humans and wildlife alike. So I would call that also a plus.